Okay, everybody, welcome to another day of a vlog for you people. So today, we just finished up building this PC. Now we're loading Windows 7.
What version?
64-bit. Loading 64-bit and loading Ultimate. So I need to destroy the HP DVD drive. Bumble. I guess I have to boil the Delta meal. I guess I have to stare at the ugliness. Wow. I might have to take a shotgun to it. Yeah, this is gonna take a while. But at the end, it's gonna be quick to boot and quick to shut down. It just go installing. And look like we're on 3 now. We were on 1 minute ago.
I see going 2, not 3.
Should I stop it?
Yeah, unless I want to rant. So, we got Windows 7 Ultimate. I did decide to go with Windows 7 Ultimate because this motherboard can handle up like 32 gigabytes of RAM. So, why not install Windows 7 Ultimate, right, Matt?
Yep.
Why not? If I got an option, I can do it.
Hold on.
And see. So. Yeah. Reading the book. Oh shoot, I need to use the DVD drive too for the Wi-Fi calling. Oh boy.
You can do that later.
Yes, this is gonna be a hell of a time. I can use the Ethernet for now. I got what, 100 feet of Ethernet cord? Yeah, 100 feet of Ethernet cord. I can run to the router. For now.
I'm going to be like, oh, you're trying to trick me with the Ethernet cord.
Should I stop it now?
Okay, everybody, what's going on? We already did the intro for you people. So, today, day 2. Well, Matt did not hear. He already left, so. But, good news, good news. I'm pretty sure you're hearing the background music. So, I may turn the camera over to the PC. Alright, she's alive, as you can see. So she's doing pretty good. Yesterday was setting up a lot of stuff, and today we're going to do a testing of 1080p movie live maker testing. So, we look at Task Manager. She's hovering about 80 range. If I memorize this. As you can see, we are doing a unboxing video of the case. Now I'm gonna do it all to the other video. So if we bring up Task Manager. As you can see, we're doing pretty good. So, now I could stack something on top like ripping movie DVD, but my HP DVD drive is a little bit pooch. Yeah, it's a little bit pooch actually. So, yeah, we're gonna see how long she does, and I might as well just plug the DVD drive in and and see how it goes. I know. I might see how that DVD drive, see if it's still working or not. I know, random day, random time, but while this is rendering a video, I'm playing music because I gotta clean up a whole lot of mess to clean up, people. Yes, I do. Yesterday was a big mess yesterday. Oh my gosh, it was a big mess yesterday, so it's, but, as you can see, it's alive, playing sound okay. And I got to say something about these stereo speakers. If I turn them louder, they don't sound like garbage when you turn them high. Unlike these, if you take a look at those cheaper speakers, when you turn them louder, they tend to... they sound not too good. They sound garbage when you turn them louder. But these stereo speakers, I'm cranking them up, they don't sound garbage, so... yeah, they don't sound like garbage. And I sound like I'm briefly suing my nose, too. I know, I think the allergy should be gone, but, oh well. So, I'm running Windows 7 Ultimate to take advantage of the higher capacity memory. See here, the motherboard is capable of 32 gig, but there's another thing you gotta keep in mind is the operating system, or I should say Windows version, because some of these Windows versions, especially Windows 7, well, they're a sweet version, and each of these versions do kind of like handle like Windows Home Edition that can handle up to 8 gig, Professional that can get up in the middle, I can't remember right off the bat. Windows 7 Ultimate, that one can handle up a higher capacity. So I decided to install it, and I had to reinstall it like 2 because when my co-host was there, I accidentally installed it on the wrong drive. See, I have 2 drives. One is a SSD, the drive. The other drive is a Western Digital mechanical drive, a laptop drive, sweet 20 gig. So, when my code was there yesterday, I accidentally installed it on the laptop drive. So, after that, I had to reinstall it on the SSD. And surprisingly, the process was quick. So, wasn't that bad of a time. But other than that, other things than that, I'm pretty good. Went to a video, and what I'm going to do is I got to rearrange the room for this puppy. You've seen how the laptop, if we take a look at the laptop for a moment. Now, maybe you can see or not, but this is the setup I was currently using. So, this desk and this stand is going to be out of underneath the bunk bed, over to the window. The TV will be used there as a secondary monitor. it's going to be always a secondary monitor. So it's going to be moving with the desk too. Now the laptop, it's going to be in a different place, should we say. Seriously, a different place for it. So, yeah. So, but nevertheless, this laptop will be used casually if I need to move, well, if I need to go on filming location. This is a good laptop to copy and paste stuff or move or transfer data. If I was shooting a video in a random place, this would be good at it. So it's a Core i3 machine. This one is this processor is very old. So it's way back before Sandy Bridge and before the Haswell. So it's a little more of a slightly older age. It does have no USB 3.0, or it is the 2.0, so they haven't taken USB 3.0 seriously yet at the time, but now this time you can pick up a laptop with USB 3.0 for the higher speed. Yeah. So now I'm kind of lost for a moment of what direction I'm going to. This laptop will be used casually. It's not gonna be used a heck of a lot. It's not gonna get abused a whole lot like I've been doing lately with these YouTube videos. So, that's what I'm gonna say for now. Now, I need a couple, this is like power related stuff. I need to get a $8 strip, storage protector. And get I think a 10-foot extension cord. I can't remember if I need it or not. But I do know I need a heavy extension cord. So that would be it for now, computer-wise. So, that's it. Pretty much, I'm going to reorganize the room. So, I'm going to be busy, and I'm not going to say my ending just yet, so I'm going to be back for maybe a little bit. See, magic of editing, I can get back that quick. So, let's see what happened. Shall we? Haha! Okay, Monday, people, Monday. So, today I did a whipping DVD today. Right now it's 8 AM in the morning. So, did pass the test, and I'm not a synthetic bitch guy. I rather just see how well to shove a video and see how it goes. Or, a great stress testing is ripping DVDs and stuff like that, or watching 4K. Did went okay. passed the test. I pegged the CPU at 100% for about roughly about maybe a few minutes, I would say. I don't know, maybe 30, I don't know. But it's relatively quick. And the progress. Right now I'm rendering a movie, video for my YouTube channel. I'm rendering like the unboxing video. And it's chugging along pretty good, surprisingly. So it's doing pretty good. Not bad. I would say Core i5 is great to do simple 1080p YouTube video if you're planning to use movie live make on. So if you're planning on that, go ahead. Yeah, so that's what I'm up to today. But yesterday, I moved the desk. So if I turn the camera around, I'm gonna turn the light around too, you'll see what I'm talking about. Now, you probably can't see, because the camera likes to focus on the window, but you should be able to see somewhat of an idea where the desk is. You see the monitor, you see the speaker, you see the paper and headphone, and my own laptop, which it's retired, which I need to shut down because right now it's in hibernation mode, so it needs to be shut down. But I'm gonna keep it on. But yeah, so I got everything moved over here. I do have a little bit of mess on my photography table, so but that's what I've been up to. So like I said, I did move the cabinet. Used to be the another video photography area too. Actually, we mainly used for video. But now it's been moved under the bunk bed, and I moved the desk where my unboxing area. I was using it for like small unboxing stuff like that, but no. No, actually I was using it for... No, I never remember. Now I don't remember. I don't. So, everything is going okay. PC is fully up in operation, and it's passing my test. So, passed. It passed a couple of YouTube rendering, 1080p, and now it's passing on the ripping DVDs. So it's looking pretty good for this computer. So, and all. So what I'm gonna do in the vlog video for you people, I will say thank you for watching my YouTube video. Feel free to subscribe or Google Plus me, whichever works on your account better. Do feel thumbs up to like, give the video a thumbs up if you like it, and leave a comment, and do make sure to visit the link below. If you click on show me more, you will find like the email address you do have to copy and paste. Amazon project, there's wish list for camera stuff, and many various stuff, technology related stuff. Technology and Flickr page. If you want to ask for a price, do make sure you use the email address to contact me about my photos and pricing and payment option too. Well, payment. And I'm part of Linus and Tech forum. So if you want to say hello, I'm okay with that. You can say hello on the Flickr page too. So, I'm gonna say, see you next time. See you later.